Tools check, part check. Now it's about to get on now. So, smooth this. And let's get it going. Okay, with this video, well, I'm gonna put it in the description anyway, but let me go ahead and give you a little overview. So, putting this huge little thingy, you know, call this air filter. So, we're gonna take this, replace this, gonna start on this cold air intake and stuff. So, therefore, let's get all the tools out. Everything, hoses, connected tubes. Let's go. Take that side. Now, let's create some space. With that being the heat shield, you know, it could get very hot up in here, especially since those are on. Those pretty shiny afterburner tip looking thingies. Call long tube headers. So, let's break this down, baby. Okay, y'all, and broke it down. Took me about 30 minutes. Broke it all the way down. You can see all the way to the long tube headers now. Out with the old stock box, but it's canned in. No air filter. That was it. Took the housing off and everything. Now it's time to assemble this little mass airflow sensor in. That's where we are right now. So, show y'all later. Alright, y'all. After looking at this engine like that, I'm contemplating on keeping it exposed. So I'm gonna keep it exposed. But there we go. Right there. Rotofab. Ooh. Alright, I'm about to get y'all a startup for this one.